I am once again asking for your financial support.
I'm going to say this. This is just for just to keep you all informed. I am going to be scaling back. I'm going to have to scale back on my broadcast time. Reason being is because StreamYard. I don't use StreamYard anymore. I use Ecamm, and so Ecamm their stream service. They only allow you to have 20 hours of streaming of stream time per month. When I was with StreamYard, I had
StreamYard has unlimited streaming, 50 hours of storage.
50 hours. So I'm going to have to conserve my my broadcast time. As you know, I do basically 2-hour lives. And so if I do a 2-hour live for 5 days out of the week, within 2 weeks, my airtime is up and I have to replenish it.
Did you not see this on Ecamm's terms of service page? Sounds like you didn't do your homework. Say.
Again, so I just want to keep you all informed and abreast of that. So I'm going to be spacing out my broadcast dates. I may do maybe 3 sometimes. I may do 2 a week. It all depends. So that way I can keep the videos, consistent. But at the same time, I don't want to have to deplete my airtime and then have to replenish it. Oh, because again, it costs money. So, because again, it costs money. So, because again, it costs money. So I want to be a good steward of what I have. And also with these, with the hours that they have given as far as the airtime, it's not as much. Now, hopefully they'll upgrade it. Hopefully they will. But in the meantime, I'm going to just, have to conserve and minimize on that. Why did I switch? Because I got a Mac. If I didn't have a Mac, because I was using, my PC. And so now that I had gotten a Mac,
StreamYard is browser-based. It can be used on both systems, not just PC or Mac.
Does not carry over to. Why you always lying? Ecamm does. So that's what I'm doing for that. You said how much do you need? Just some. You can give as the Lord leads. I mean the streaming is $40 a month. And so we use that and we have that into replenish it last week because I was doing a live when I had on what was the guy Eric Love, or what his name is, the one that's now
the lie detective determined that was a lie.
Other people, but anyway, so in the middle of my stream, it told me you got X amount of minutes left before we cut it off, and so I had to replenish it in the midst of the stream. So. But yeah, so that's what that's what we're doing. So again, it takes
the lie detector
money to do ministry,
that was a lie.
And these are just some of the the costs that are involved in doing that. So again,
the lie detector determined that was
so anyway,
a lie.
So yeah, if you want us to support the ministry, you can do that by just clicking in the donation links and things of that nature. That helps us to keep things going. Are you part of a church? Yes, I am. I am a part of a church. I do attend a fellowship. I am a member of a local fellowship. But as you already know, so I'm not doing streaming on Sundays. Sundays, that's the Lord's Day. We just made a decision, my wife and I, to say, you know what, on Sundays I'm going to be off. But throughout the week, I'll try to put out content and do Bible studies and interviews and things like that. So yes, it is definitely different. Yeah, hold on, what? No, it's. I was told no, because I have a Mac. I have a Mac, and I know. Matter of fact, Corey Minor, he has a Mac, and you haven't done your homework. From what I was told, StreamYard doesn't go for MacBook. That's what I was told. And if it does, I'll check into it. But I will admit that you haven't done your homework. Ecamm's features are better than StreamYard. Because like when I put up my overlays and things of that nature, it goes right. When you use StreamYard, you can't move the overlays over or have it positioned it just right in front of your face and all that kind of stuff. So, but there's other features on here that are good. I wish they give you more airtime, but right now they do not. They're just 20 hours for the month for Ecamm. And I think that's the biggest package that they have. They may be doing more, but that's what I was told. So, but yeah, you haven't done your homework. Other than that, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. I just wanted to let you all know. I probably do something tomorrow, but I'll keep you posted. If you see a notification, yeah, I'll check into it. Yeah, I'll definitely will check into it. Yeah, I'll check into it. You see, I maxed out yours too. Okay, okay, yeah. Well, I'm gonna find out. Because I was told that that StreamYard didn't have it for Macs. You haven't done your homework, but I'll find out. But again, the only thing is that it's just the performance and the quality what they have is Ecamm does have a better quality package as far as what they feature and what they offer. But yeah, they need to work on these on the airtime.
Oh, somebody! Oh, he needs some milk.
All right, I'm out. Y'all have a good night. Y'all know the drill. Whatever you do, do all to glory and honor of God. God bless.